Hello, it's Natasha. I would like to talk about some popular icebreakers that I often see in an online environment. So, number one, a view out my window. I really like this one. It's engaging, especially in an online environment where you can't see each other. So you ask the participants to simply take a snapshot of what they can see out their window. Of course, you give the example as a moderator. So as you can see here, I was lucky to be on a mountain. This is not my usual view out my window. Some variations. They can post a picture of their workstation, the place where they're working, and their computer. They can post a picture of their room, of their favorite object, etc. Number two, what song are you listening to this week? So again, you share a song and then everybody else shares a song. They don't even have to like the song. It's simply something they've heard on the radio. It can even be a commercial jingle. It can even be something that gets on their nerves. Or another variation is, of course, their favorite song, one of their favorite songs, etc. This one is similar to number one, but here you post a picture of your classroom, and then you can maybe discuss the technology that is available in your classroom, what you like about your classroom, and what you would like to change. As you can see here, my classroom is very low-tech, and that can present a problem, or used to present a problem until we started bringing our own devices to class, and now everybody is carrying a little computer in their pockets these days. This one is very good when you're trying to introduce your learners to your website, to get them acquainted with the platform. So this is similar to, we sometimes do this with textbooks. Where in the textbook can you find out more about, etc. So here you do the same, but you do it about the website. And you can ask some questions like, where in the Moodle platform can you find a link to your profile, tutorials and YouTube videos, all your forum posts. And then to answer, students either need to give detailed instructions, which is great, especially if you're practicing the language of instructions, or they post a snapshot. But either way, they get acquainted with the platform, and that's what you really want here. Or you can take your favorite icebreaker from your classroom and adapt it for online use. This takes a bit of thinking sometimes. Sometimes it's very straightforward. But let's say you take a 3-2-1 introduction and you turn it into a video, or you turn it into a poster, or you take 2 truths and 1 lie, and again you can turn it into a blog post, or do something fun with it. And sometimes, as I said, it takes a bit of adapting, but it's definitely worth it. So maybe you can now spend a bit of time thinking about your favorite icebreaker and how you would adapt it, if it needs adapting at all. And also think about why you like it. What does it do exactly? Does it foster group spirit, encourage communication? Does it get people acquainted with the platform? Does it teach or recycle some language? What does it do? Why do you want to use it? And how do you need to change it so that it works online? So thank you for listening, and that was me on Icebreakers.